YouTube, what is going down, baby? It's your boy Mac. Me and the kid Lars back at it again, working on T'Challa. Today we are going to be wrapping this airbox in the gold heat-resistant tape that I have right here. Splaga. Gonna be wrapping this bad boy up, doing another little secret mod as well too, and on these bad boys. Finally got a chance to add these carbon pieces to T'Challa. This is one of the pieces that I've really wanted for a long time. This actually goes on the inside cowl right there. So we're gonna replace it with this carbon, and it's definitely gonna give it that nice premium look going along with the other carbon that's on the bike. Oh man, this is gonna look great. So yeah, me and Larry about to get to work, and we'll keep you guys updated with the progress, man. All right, so we got the tank off there, and we got the airbox off, which is right there. We finally got these carbon pieces on. Oh my gosh. I'm going to love the next time that I ride, because even though I have a lot of carbon on this bike, I never really get to see it when I'm actually riding the bike. So now that I'm going to be able to see the carbon while riding, oh, this looks fantastic. This looks fantastic. But yeah, I got the airbox off. Probably going to wrap that up overnight, and then put it back on tomorrow, and complete this bad boy. And then we're also going to be doing some gearing changing as well too. I think I'm going to change up my gearing again. I went back to stock gearing, 17 in the front, 41 in the back, but I think I'm going to switch that up. So we'll see how that goes, man. So, woo! That carbon, dog. Ooh, look at that view now. This is going to be lovely to ride. Carbon on both sides. I think I might be done with carbon. Maybe just the there, and then that's it. But yeah, man, this looks absolutely beautiful. Hey, this airbag's almost completely done. Don't judge my tape job, judge your mama. Nah, but this thing is almost ready for install. I got most of this area done. A couple more areas I want to patch up and cover up. Yeah, man, it's almost ready for install. I'm good. All right, all parts installed. We are looking good. That carbon fiber panels are looking excellent. And from some angles, you can kind of see that gold tape up in there going along with my chin. So I'm about to take it out for a ride, make sure everything is good, and then we're gonna get ourselves prepped for Atlanta, man. And also too, I have another sprocket coming in that I'm probably going to be installing probably Friday or Saturday. Right now, again, as I said before, we got stock gearing, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit and see how it goes, man. So me and Lars about to get on the road, see how it feels, take a quick little spin. Finally on T'Challa. Everything is feeling good. Meeting up with my boy Max. Might do some quick pulls. Might take it to Hoboken too, to see what else is happening. It's a really, really, really warm night. 86 degrees, and it's almost 9:30. Really, really warm. It's the kid Lars. That R1 sounds so mean. Woo! See the lightning in the sky. Got a little cooler out here. Feels a lot better.
be a good run though. View, damn. That R1 looks dope, man. Sharp runs too. Good run, Max. Oh, this is dope. Max's head is glowing. Oh man, the city looks so beautiful, man. It's crazy. We about to pack up out of here. It's getting late. Definitely had some dope pizza at Basil's Pizza on Washington Ave and Newark Street. Met up with some dope people here. Followed them on Instagram. They ride pretty local as well too, so we'll probably link up with them one day. Dope FZ10 over here. Got an MT10 SP. This is an SP edition. Separated brake lines. I'm sure pretty sure those wheels are magnesium. I think this has titanium internals as well too. It's just like a detuned touring R1M essentially. Just like what this is here. It's pretty dope. 636. Not sure what this is. I think this is a 900, but this is pretty dope too. Then you got a Gixxer 1000 over here. So this is pretty dope, man. Definitely dope meeting those guys. Definitely link up again. I think there's an R7 across the street as well too. That's dope as well. But yeah, we got to break up out of here, man. It's getting late. Got those parts installed like I needed to, and just got to get that gearing, and then we'll be all set for ATL, man. That's gonna be a dope trip. I cannot wait for that. Probably one of the last trips that we're going to be taking. We may head up to Pittsburgh again with Randy for Moto America, but we'll see how that goes, man. But yeah, guys, probably have a little bit of fun on the highway, then we're going to call it a night. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, people. Ride safe and peace out, man. Cannot beat the sound of an R1, man. Ride safe, y'all. lighting looks crazy.